I'm Val Buresh, and today I'm going to show you how to use CPS Pivot for immigration population analysis. Let's get started. CPS Pivot is built on census data. It is using the current population survey. We are acquiring the data through EPUM's CPS. And when it comes to immigration, we are using a data field called nativity that classifies each person as native-born or foreign-born. In CPS Pivot, you access this information through our filters. CPS Pivot is built on the microdata model so that you can apply any filter in any combination. But let's begin with foreign-born. So now we are looking at the entire US population of immigrants, foreign-born. And according to our analysis, 57.6 million people were foreign-born as of January 2025. And vast majority of those are immigrants. I say vast majority because when we use other data, you can see that some of those foreign-born are actually US citizens born abroad of American parents. However, this category, foreign-born, divides the entire population between US-born and foreign-born. So you can create an analysis and a view of first-generation immigrants versus like second-generation immigrants. So that's how you can use this data. Because it's a microdata model, you can analyze this population by different other demographic features, for example, education, minority status. You can find out the top MSAs for immigrant population, precise age distribution, state, and so forth. The other thing is that the CPS Pivot allows for household analysis. What does this mean? This means that you can analyze the distribution and the characteristics, demographic characteristics of head of households who are foreign-born or immigrant. And finally, because CPS has the annual social and economic supplement, we seamlessly integrate it for home ownership analysis and further insights by income, for example, or we provide more information about home ownership right here. And by region, you can see the immigrant population by number of households and the household mix of the total. Most of them are in the South. The growth rate, and the home ownership rate, and the change in home ownership rate in this particular segment. With a drop-down menu, we can actually put Hispanic origin, for example, if we want to see how many immigrants are Hispanic or Latino. And so here we can even see the disaggregated data. There is much more to explore in CPS Pivot when it comes to immigration, including occupation and industry, which you can easily analyze here, just like I showed you with few clicks, and you have your analysis. I hope you found this useful. Thank you and see you next time.